Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I edited this flower. It's really easy to do black and white images and you can do it within seconds, so let me show you how. I'm going to start by taking this image and reverting it back to the original by hitting reset. And as you can see, the straight out of the camera is really pretty. It's gorgeous yellow with a little bit of green in the middle, and it's fine just as it is, but it's very light, bright, and airy. Well, we can go dark and moody with it in just a matter of a few clicks. So this is how. First, I'm going to go over to the basic panel and hit black and white. Now, as you see, that doesn't do much for it. It makes it very washed out, and because yellow renders in monochrome as nearly white, it's very blah. So what I'm going to go do is go down to the exposure, lower that a lot, go to whites, and crank that up a little bit. Go down to clarity, give it a good dose of clarity. Black and white is a lot about texture, much more so than color can be, so that's a good one to use. Dehaze, and that's where the magic starts to come in. You'll notice as I hit the dehaze slider, watch this little triangle up here. All of a sudden it goes white. What that means is that we're starting to clip some area, and if you click on it, it reveals that the very innermost part of this flower is starting to clip. But that's okay, because it is a very dark area. Okay, and then to finish this image, I'm going to grab my brush, double click on Effect to reset it, up the clarity, perhaps up some whites, and start to paint this on in the manner of dodging and burning. I'm looking at all the places that I want to be a little bit brighter, with a little more texture. And that's more or less it. I can adjust the exposure a little bit more. I can make it a little bit more moody. I can take those highlights up maybe even more. Watching the histogram here to make sure that I don't go over the edge. I don't want to crawl up the right-hand side if I can avoid it. Add a little bit of exposure. Again, I want it moody, so I guess I'm going to continue with the lower exposure and use other things to brighten it. Add some more whites. See there, it goes up the side. We don't want this. This is bad. So we're going to bring that back until it's gone. And here we have a nice, moody, dramatic black and white image that helps to bring out some of that texture that we have in the flower petals themselves, whereas the original was quite light and airy, lacking a lot of definition. It's pretty, it's just different. This is a much more meaty kind of texture study versus color, which dominates this image. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.